Hello YouTube, President Michael here. First I want to thank everybody about the well wishes I've been given about my dogs. The one who had the seizure, he's doing okay. It's McDonald's, he's doing fine, and we don't think there's any danger with him. But Sampson, I think the other one I mentioned, the one who has the heart failure, well, a couple hours after we got home, he must have got so upset by what happened. He had a mini stroke, and for a while he was unresponsive. His eyes were open, he was breathing, but it was like the lights were on and no one was home. Finally, we were able to get him up and moving around. We got into the doctor and it seemed he might be okay. But a few hours ago, we think he suffered another stroke. And it's lasting a lot longer this time. I'm not sure what to do. He's not eating, he's not drinking. I mean, we can't even give him medicine for his heart. And I can't get a hold of that at the moment. I talked to another one. He says, watch him. But I don't know. This might be it. I'm sure there's some people out there who probably think I'm a fool for being upset. And you know, I don't give a damn. And some people think that. Maybe they have full, rich lives, but the dogs and my mom, I mean, they're the only ones who really have. I promised I was going to try to get through this. They say talking about something bad things is good therapy, but I don't know. I mean, I knew this day it was going to come one day, but when it happens, it's so difficult. And the dogs, you know, like I said before, they're like my children, my best friends. I mean, them and my mom, I mean, they're the only ones that's really important. I mean, this autograph thing, it's just a distraction, a hobby. In the long run, it's not really important. I don't know, maybe he'll be okay, but I don't know. My life is so depressing already, and then when you lose somebody, and you can never replace life. I mean, you could replace a car, you could replace a cell phone. You can't replace something that's alive and you're close to. No matter how hard you try. And the dogs, especially him, Sampson. Here's a picture of him. I mean, he's so big and kind, and everybody loves him and lovable. I mean, he would go up to probably Satan, the devil, and want to be petted. That's how loving and trustworthy he is. He's almost 14 years old. I had him for 4. My mom got him for me at the SPCA. I guess somebody had him for almost 10 years, and I don't know what happened. And another couple had him for about a year. They couldn't have him, so they gave him back up. And I guess when she went to that SPCA thing where she got him, that everybody looked at him, they liked him, and they thought about getting him, and then when they walked away, he would almost follow them and just want to go home and just want a home. And I'm so thankful I got him. I know I know there's a lot of people out there who probably don't understand. There's some people who think I'm being stupid. And there's some real bad people like that jackass Michael Vick, who does horrible things to dogs. There's people out there who torture dogs, they torture cats, torture animals. They're evil people that do that. They deserve to die. I'm not going to get into that. I don't know. But I do appreciate everybody, the few that sent me some well wishes. At least McDonald's is doing okay, but not Sampson. I don't know. These were taken, I think, back in March at this animal event we went to. His name is Sampson. I think he's the best dog anyone could have. So well behaved. When we've had him in the car, when we went through a drive-thru, most dogs, they'd be jumping all over, wanting to get your food. He would just lay there so patiently and quiet, you wouldn't even know he's there. Just excuse me for a second. I don't know. I mean, at the moment he's with us, but I don't know how long it's going to be. So if y'all could do me a favor, if you have a pet, especially a dog, give him, when you see his video, an extra pat in the head and a kiss and a hug. Because one day, they're not going to be there. Life is so short. Especially for pets. I'm not a high religious person, but I do believe there's something after life passes. But alright, I better let this go. But I appreciate all the well wishes, and I'll try to let you know what happens. But I don't think I'm going to be filming a mail day video for a while. And I got some stuff in the past couple days, but it's not important. Okay. I better go. If you listen to this whole thing, I appreciate it. If there's any comments or anything, just, put them below. You know what to do. This is the President Michael. It's November 16th, 2012. Around 10:38 p.m. And, and this is for Sampson, my dog. Goodbye.